This is Sarah Poff, and those are hands. We're going to make the body of a rag doll today. So up there you see 3 different types. We'll see if I can bring it a little closer. The first one on the left, it's tied with rubber bands. The second one is tied with string, white string, mainly so that you can see how it's put together. And the one on the right is my preference. It's the one that's tied with brown string so that you don't notice that strings that are tying it together. Okay, so now we're going to go through the tying of the rag doll. You will have in front of you a brown piece that's small and a brown piece that's larger. You're also going to have some white string. You're going to have some rubber bands, or you're going to have the brown that we were talking about. I'm going to use the white just so you can see mine. If you're helping someone or having trouble yourself tying, you might want to switch to the rubber band version of this. If not, you probably want to stay with the brown. The main reason I'm doing the white is so that you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing that we do is we take the long piece and we fold it in half like this. Then we take and we gather it about the amount that we need for the head. Now what I usually do is I usually just pinch it, I gather it, if you're familiar with that word. And to help me tie, what I usually do is I grab the string with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so I grab it with my left hand and I twist it around 2 or 3 times so that it holds that spot taut while I'm trying to tie. Because it's kind of hard to hold and tie, but if you've twisted it around there several times, then it makes a little bit of a difference. And I usually like to go in there afterwards and see if I can fluff it out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to lay that over. I'm going to take the small piece this time. These are going to be the arms. So we're going to roll the arms and we're going to tie it at the end. Now I always leave the middle open so that you can see, like right here, it holds it in a little better. I mean, you could tie in the middle if you want. Then sometimes the arms pull out. So that's just kind of up to you. There's all kinds of ways. Now remember what I said about I twist it around 1, 2, 3. And once I've done 3, I can hold it on there a little easier. And pull it tight. Do it twice. Like that. Then I go through for the other side, and I probably have to re-roll it some. And I'll do the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to do this side short, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Set it down, tie it again. Pull as tight as you can. To me, those tie off where it kind of looks a little bit like maybe that's a wrist. Plus later on you might want to tie something to that wrist. We have a couple of different options there. Okay, now once I have that done, I'm going to open this piece back up and I'm going to stick this piece in like that. And then I'm going to tie where I would imagine the waist would be. So I'm going to tie like right under here. Get me another string, and I'm still trying to do the same thing. I'm still trying to go like 1, 2, 3 real tight. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I only had enough for 2, so I'm going to try it and see if I can get it to work for that time, because I want to have plenty of string to tie with. Okay, I was able to manage, and hopefully you will be too. All right, there we go. Now for the legs, we're doing the same thing that we did for these arms. We're going to separate this out, and then we're going to roll. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 times. There's not an exact right or exact wrong. All right, then I'm going to twist. See, I'm going my 3 times again. Hold it down, and then tie. To me, it works so much easier if you have a flat surface to push that against. There you go. Now one more, and we will have the body of our dolls made. Okay, one more leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 times. Oh, I let it go. All right, then we're gonna twist again. Tying the knot tight. All right, so there we go. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to trim off these pieces. Trying to get them as close as we can. All right, this is Sarah Poff and those hard hands. We're ready for the next step. You have a great day now.